So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi Bunny! Just kidding, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a bunny. Hey, why don't we draw a bunny together today? Wow, I love bunnies. They are so cute and fluffy. All right, let's draw the head. There we go, nice circle. Ooh, and let's draw the ears. They have big, tall ears. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, and now let's draw the face. 2 circles for the eyes. Ooh, a circle for the nose. Oh, and then down here, yeah, let's draw the buck teeth. There we go. And speaking of buck, yeah, an adult male is called a buck. Yeah, an adult female bunny is called a doe, and a child is called a kit. Isn't that cute? Whoa. All right, let's draw on the eyes. There we go. Can't forget about the big whiskers. There we go. So cute. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout,